Rabbit Lucy.
Do you like rabbit?
Rabbit? That's rabbit.
Yeah.
Rabbit, who's that? Rabbit?
Do you like it? It's cute.
It's got a carrot. It's carrot. Okay, all done. There you go. Rabbit? And here, carrot. Carrot. Hey, wait. Harry, catch it. Hey, who's this? Ah! Oh no! It's a carrot. It was carrot. Got it. Here we go.